Hello, my name is James. Today's video is about an easy manifestation method called the ladder technique. The ladder technique is a powerful visualization tool developed by Neville Goddard. Goddard was an advocate of what he called conscious imagination and believed that through the power of visualization, individuals can create and manifest the reality they desire. The ladder technique is a simple and powerful technique that utilizes visualization to create lasting positive change in one's life to realize their dreams. The ladder technique begins with a simple visualization exercise. Begin by visualizing yourself standing in front of a ladder. This ladder can be as real or as imaginary as you want it to be. Imagine yourself grasping one of the rungs of the ladder with your hands and focusing your attention upon it. Once your focus is present, take a few deep breaths, inhaling deeply and exhaling slowly. Now, turn your attention to the bottom rung of the ladder. With your focus still on the ladder, visualize yourself stepping onto the bottom rung and starting to go up the ladder, one rung at a time. As you're climbing the ladder, pay attention to the individual rungs and the details contained within each one. Take as long as you need to reach the top of the ladder. When you're at the top of the ladder, take a few moments to observe your surroundings from this elevated perspective. As you do, take a moment to reflect upon the journey you've taken to reach this point. Now, take a few deep breaths and scan your body and mind for any tension that might still be present. Once you've let go of any tension, turn your attention back to the ladder and visualize yourself stepping off the top rung. The next part of the ladder technique is to direct your attention to the goal you are looking to manifest in your life. Visualize yourself in a future time in which your goal has already been achieved. See with complete clarity the goal you have achieved, and imagine yourself as if you are already living in that future moment. Once you have done this, take a few moments to take in this state. Notice the emotions and feeling associated with the achievement of your goal, and imagine that these feelings have already become part of your reality. Finally, turn your attention back to the ladder and visualize yourself slowly stepping backwards down the rungs, until you are back on the bottom rung. Stay here for a few moments and notice any thoughts or sensations that arise. The ladder technique is a powerful visualization exercise that can help you create lasting positive change in your life. By intentionally picturing yourself as having achieved one's goal, and working your way back down the ladder, this technique helps to create a feeling of certainty in the mind and subconscious mind that the goal will soon become a reality. Through regular practice, the law of attraction will be activated, and the goal will become a part of one's reality. If you like this video, please click on the subscribe button below this video, give it a thumbs up, and like it if you did. It'll be truly appreciated, and help me with this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. This video was created with help from Openai.com/playground.